Hey, how's it going, everyone? I wanted to go over my top 5 stocks that I did buy today, and I do see as nice continuations for tomorrow. We did make videos on 3 of them. The other 2 I did not get a chance to make videos on, but they are amazing plays and possible continuation plays for tomorrow if they break new highs. Now, before I get into that, quick disclaimer: anything we do mention is purely for entertainment purposes. If you would like financial advice, I recommend you contact a financial professional. However, we have been going play by play, day by day throughout the whole month, and we plan on doing this throughout the whole year. So if you guys want to see more chart breakouts and entries, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell notification if you want to be notified at a time you matter. And again, everybody who subscribes, I appreciate you guys very much. We actually go all out for you guys. And I think this is our 12th video of the day. So again, I am going out for you guys and I will not stop. Again, much love to you guys. So my first play on a possible continuation, we did not make a video on this one, is DARE. Now, it did spike up after hours. We did see a crazy spike, and we're wondering what might happen. We are going to watch pre-market to see if it does continue. If it does break new highs into tomorrow, I do see it as a nice day trade, as we are holding behind volume at that point again. But these type of day trades, I definitely would have a tight stop loss, as it could spike straight down at the point, and given that obviously that has went up quite a bit. So again, you want to have tight stop losses if you're going to be day trading these. And I do see this possible continuation on new highs. Again, we're going to let this play come to us. Be careful. Don't just buy it because it looks cool and it went up. Be careful. Obviously, the only reason I'm buying this is because it breaks new highs, and the volume behind it would show that the bears probably have a nice 10-20% day trade on that. So we'll see what happens again in pre-market. On this one, AIKI, this is the other one we did not make a video on, but I do like this play. It did spike up after hours quite a bit, and we were wondering if it was going to continue or not. Well, we're going to let the play come to us again, just like we are with DARE. We are going to see if it does break new highs tomorrow, and we're going to watch pre-market as well to see what happens. But again, if it does break new highs, I see it as an easy day trade for an easy 5 to 10% day trade on this one for sure. And again, we are going to go on the next 3 videos that we did make on SENS was one of them. We mentioned it way down here around $1.90, and sure enough, it's around $3.30 after hours. I think around $3.10. So we are going to see what happens with SENS, but this is also a nice possible continuation. If it goes and breaks new highs, it's another play that we can have for an easy day trade, in my opinion. So again, I like the volume behind this one. We will see what happens, but again, for those day traders, there's nothing wrong with seeing new highs on an SENS type of play because there's tons of volume and it's very volatile, and we'll see what happens. But again, SENS, I do like as a nice swing trade. We had an amazing swing trade on this one. We did make a video earlier this morning on it, and the day before that, and I believe a week ago. So again, we did call this multiple times. We do like this play, and I'm sure a lot of us are happy. I saw a lot of you in the comment section had this, so that was pretty awesome to see. And FRSX. FRSX is climbing. It did climb really strong. We did see that it did spike up today, and we are wondering if it's going to continue. So I'm going to go on the 5-minute chart so we can kind of see what we're looking at here. Now, I did call out earlier today in a video, FRSX was going to come down and possibly come up. And sure enough, it did try to come up and create the same pattern that I said it would possibly create, as it did come down and spike. Well, it did come down and try to do the spike that we put the arrow at. Actually, I put that earlier. So then sure enough, it did exactly what I said. And we are wondering if it's going to break our resistance around 11. So I am waiting for this spike, and I do see a nice swing trade, day trade on this. Again, this is a possible continuation because after hours, it had tons of volume. I do like FRSX, very bullish on the company. And then another one that we made a video on earlier is WWR. Now, I do like this company a lot. It had tons of consolidation, as you could see. I'm going to go back to the 4 hours so we can see how the history of this chart's been looking. So again, it did have a huge spike. It came down and consolidated. And we did say, is it going to go and break new highs? And sure enough, it did. And we gave our buy signal, and we bought today. I did make a video on it earlier, and sure enough, we did get our buy. I do like the bullish action here, and I do see a continuation possibly tomorrow. Most likely, in my opinion, I think it will. But again, we have to wait for after hours. It might just give all of its energy during after hours, and we have to make sure that there's still room to profit tomorrow by the open. So again, we are going to see what happens to WR. We did let this play come to us. We didn't rush into it, and sure enough, we got our profit, and we let the bulls take advantage. So again, much love to you all. Hopefully you guys have been watching our videos, and if not, then you guys got to jump on these and see what we're doing. Again, we are buying on momentum. We buy on low risk plays because we have tight stop losses on breaking our resistant lines. So again, everybody who wants to see more chart breakouts and entries, all you have to do is subscribe. Much love to you. And everybody in the comment section, you guys are awesome. I love you guys. And everybody that's been subscribing, you guys are amazing. I appreciate you. And if you have a watch list, throw it in the comment section. I love talking to you guys. I love meeting you guys. And anything on your mind, feel free to talk to me there. Much love to everybody. And I'll see you guys next video.